Hey there, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make money with AI, specifically using a tool called Midjourney. It is an AI image generator that allows you to create amazing images for various purposes. Before, there was a free plan, but now you'll require at least the $10 plan, which comes with a commercial license. So let's start and learn how to create images on Midjourney that you can sell on stock websites like Adobe Stock. Step 1. Find popular and trending images. Let's head over to Adobe Stock to explore the images and see what images are presently popular and trending. This will provide us with an idea of what types of images are in high demand and performing well in sales. Step 2. Create prompts using Midjourney. Instead of devising our own prompts, we can rely on Midjourney to handle this task. All you need to do is type "describe" in the prompt box, followed by a space, and then drag the image you want to recreate into the box. After hitting the enter key, the Midjourney bot will initiate its thinking process. Take a look at that. Midjourney has presented 4 different prompts that can create an image similar to the one we provided. We can now evaluate them by either copying the description and putting it in the prompt, or by clicking directly on options 1, 2, 3, or 4. Simply select the image you prefer most and save it to your computer. Step 3. Enlarge the image. Once the image is generated during the Midjourney, we need to enlarge it, because most stock websites including Adobe Stock generally prefer large high-resolution images. There are lots of free AI images in larger tools available. You can use them for that purpose, but I recommend trying out tools like Upscale Media or Imglager.com. So head over to that website, just drag the image there, and the image will be enlarged, and click Save. Step 4. Creating profile. Prepare the image for Adobe Stock, with our enlarged and enhanced image saved on our computer. It's time for the final. Go to the Adobe Stock, and create a profile, if you haven't already. After that, upload the image which is created in Midjourney, and then complete all the necessary details. Make sure to check the box indicating that the image is AI generated and add relevant tags to improve its visibility. And there you have it. Once you've submitted your images, it's in the hands of Adobe Stock's review process. Keep in mind that it might take a day or two. During this time, there are a couple of issues you might face. For instance, if you've uploaded images of individuals, Adobe may ask for a model release to verify the authenticity of the image. Moreover, some images might face quality issues due to excessive details. However, once your image is accepted and approved by Adobe, your images get the green light, and it becomes available for purchase, and then you are eligible to start earning money. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. I hope you found it valuable and insightful on how to make money with AI using the incredible tool, Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more exciting tutorials like this.